Hello, Jeremy here from 3D Infotech with another reporting tip for you. I have a project that's already been completed. I have my features that are measured. I have some report items in my tree view. I also have a formatted report as well. My customer requested all this data outside of PolyWorks, and it might be Excel, it might be Minitab, it might be elsewhere. So how do I get these results out of PolyWorks? Well, if all my report items are in my tree view, like these snapshots or these report tables, I can select individual objects and do a right mouse export, or I can select the multiple right mouse export. And you'll see I have the option to export them directly into Excel or Word. Let me demonstrate. And notice in this Excel file, all the cells are populated with the nominal, measure, deviation, and so forth. And from here, my engineer or my customer can just copy paste these into whichever software they choose. But let's say, for example, I have a formatted report. I still have that capability. So while my report's active, I can navigate to the File menu, Export Items. And this is where it's tricky. If I have one item selected in my report, File Export Items will export only that one object. Same applies if I have multiple. In this case, Export Items will export the picture and the table. But if nothing is highlighted, then pretty much every picture and every table across all the pages, all of those will be exported. Or before I finish, I'll just specify, do I want it into Excel, a CSV file, or any other preferred types. Let me just open that Excel file. And you'll see, just like before, all my pictures and all my tables are in this one Excel file. So that's how I could export my report items out of PolyWorks. Thank you for watching.